Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you're doing great. My name is Kate and today I decided to record this quick video to tell you everything you need to know about a product called alpilean. So if you don't know alpilean yet, or maybe if you've heard about it but you want more information, just stay with me because I have some important tips and alerts to share with you before you buy alpilean, okay guys? So let's go to the first important alert that I have for you all is about where you can find alpilean. Why am I telling you this? Because you might find this product on other website or maybe in any store in your city, but it is not safe to buy it anywhere because alpilean is today only sold on the official website by its producer. So if you find it on another website or in any store in your city, you cannot buy it because it's probably not the original product. So if you want to make sure that you're buying something original and something that is not going to be harmful to your body, to your health, you need to buy it only through the official website, okay? And to make it easier and faster for you all, I'll let the link for the official website down there in the description of this video. You all can take a look later. So what is alpilean? Does it really work? Guys, I can tell you that it works. There are many people like me getting great results with alpilean, and you can be one of them too. So what is it for? If you are trying to lose weight, you're trying, you can't. We know it's not easy to lose weight. Even if you are on a diet and exercising, it is really hard. But alpilean can help you with that because it is a 100% natural weight loss supplement. So if you want to lose weight faster and in a healthy way, you need to try alpilean, okay guys? So I assure you that it works and there are no side effects, okay? No side effects, so you won't have any problem from taking alpilean, and you have only benefits since it is 100% natural. There are only benefits. And if you want to check more about its ingredients, if you want to check what is inside of alpilean, you can check everything on the official website that will be there in the description of this video. You can check everything about alpilean there. Maybe you can ask me, but Kate, what if I try alpilean? What if I take it and I don't see any results? It doesn't work for me, or for any reason I don't like it, Kate, I don't want it anymore. You don't have to worry about that, guys, because you have a great guarantee. If you buy alpilean, if you try it, and in 60 days you don't see any results, or for any reason you don't like it and you don't want it anymore, you can claim all your money back on the official website. That's it. You can have 100% of your money back. So that's why it is also so important to buy it only through the official website, okay guys, to have this guarantee. Guys, one more important tip that I have for you all, you're gonna love this one, is about the purchasing. If you got interested in buying alpilean, you want to try it, I recommend you to buy 6 bottles. But why 6 bottles, Kate? I'm gonna tell you why. Because buying 6 bottles, you will get a huge discount, so you'll be saving a lot of money, guys. And you will also get free shipping and 2 free bonuses. That's it. On the official website, you can check everything about the price, the shipping, and the bonuses. And, of course, about its guarantee. Well, guys, so that's it. If you want any more information about alpilean, you can check on the official website, okay? Or maybe if you want, you can ask me down there in the comments. I'll be more than happy to check all of them later. And if you want to share your experience with alpilean, if you want to tell your experience with this product, feel free to leave your comment down there too, okay? So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate that. And see you soon. Bye-bye.